Welcome everyone to the part 2 in a series of circles. In this video, we are going to solve some problems related to the theorems we learned in the first part. In case you haven't watched the first part, I strongly advise you to watch it before we head into this video. First problem. ABC is a triangle where A, B and C lie on the circumference and AB is a diameter. Angle ABC equals 67 degrees. We are supposed to calculate the size of the angle BAC denoted with the letter theta. In this figure, we have angle ABC which is 67 degrees and it's given that AB is a diameter. Since we already know that the angle in a semicircle formed at the circumference is always equal to 90 degrees, therefore we can conclude that angle ACB is 90 degrees. Since we have the measure of two angles, we can therefore use the fact that the angles in a triangle total 180 degrees to calculate the size of a remaining angle. On further calculating, we get BAC is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus 67 degrees, which leads us to 23 degrees. I hope you were able to get the same answer as I did. Let's move to our next problem. Given is a circle with center O. CD is an arc of the circle which subtends to angle CBD and CAD. We are supposed to find the size of the angle CAD. We know that angle CBD is 47 degrees which is formed by the arc CD. Angle CAD is also formed by the same arc CD. Since both the angles are formed by the same arc, going by a theorem, angles subtended by the same arc are equal, we can conclude that angle CAD will also be equal to angle CBD. To conclude, we can write angle CAD equals 47 degrees. Now let's move to problem number 3. The figure given shows a circle with center C. BD form an arc on the same circle. The arc BD subtend an angle at the center which is BCD. The value of BCD is 150 degrees. We are supposed to find the value of angle BAD. We know the angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. And so, as we know that the angle at the center, we need to divide this number by 2 to get the angle BAD. On performing this operation, we find out that angle BAD equals 75 degrees. Now let's move to the final problem of this video. In the given figure, we have a circle with center O. AC is the diameter of the circle and DE forms the tangent at point A. We know that angle BCA is 52 degrees and we need to find angle BAD represented by theta. As AC is the diameter and we know that angle in a semicircle formed at the circumference is always 90 degrees, we can conclude that angle ABC is 90 degrees. As angles in a triangle total 180 degrees, we can further solve for angle CAB, which will be 180 minus 90 degrees minus 52 degrees. That leaves us with angle CAB as 38 degrees. Now we'll use a tangent theorem to find the other missing angle. Now as the angle between the tangent and the radius is 90 degrees, we can calculate angle BAD. Therefore, angle BAD would be 90 degrees minus angle BAC, which is 38 degrees. On further solving, we get angle BAD as 52 degrees. So, there you have it. This brings us to the end of today's video. Before leaving, given is a practice problem which I recommend you attempt on your own. Solve for angle BCA and leave your answers in the comment below. The answers which are correct are going to get pinned, and hopefully I will release another video with a detailed explanation for this. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was worth your time. For more such educational content, stay tuned to BrainyBoard and share it with your friends and colleagues. Goodbye.